Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology has released the KIITEE 2023 application form on its official website kiitee.keet.ac.in. The KIITEE application form 2023 submission last date is April 5, 2023. Candidates must fill out the KIITEE registration 2023 with their personal, academic and contact information. Candidates should be aware that there is no application fee for the KIITEE 2023. KIITEE exam 2023 will be held from April 14 to 18. Before beginning with the application process, candidates should review the Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology's eligibility criteria for their desired program. Careers 360 brings to you the step-by-step process of filling the KIITEE 2023 application form to ease out the complete application process for the aspirants. Steps to fill the KIITEE application form 2023. Visit the official website of KIITEE. Click on the Apply Now KIITEE 2023 tab. Enter the application number and further choose a password and enter a security PIN. Read all the procedures and instruction before going ahead with filling up the application form. Fill up the personal details, mark the declaration and click here to proceed tab. Click on Submit tab. Review the registration page and click on the Pending Details and Submit status. If some changes are to be made, click on Submit. Fill up the academic details and other details such as employment details, mark identification, etc. Fill up the qualification details and submit. Select and click on the given courses you want to apply. Fill in the other details like father's name, city, address and PIN code. Upload the scanned copy of signature and class 12th mark sheet. Upload all the necessary documents and scanned colored photograph. Click on Download Confirmation page for the application confirmation. Take out a few printouts and keep it for future references. Note down the application number and click on the Complete Application Form tab and print out copies for future use.